Don't douche. What floor are we on?
6, 7, 8.
Whoa! Ugh. Get me sick. Okay, let's go. Hey, come on, open the door. Open the door. Shh. Be quiet. That color is in her hair. Yes, the toad. Stairs. You want me to go downstairs? Oh, no, thank you. I'm both too lazy to walk downstairs. God, ain't that Daytona Beach gorgeous.
I'm getting dizzy being up this high.
I get dizzy if I look straight down. Hey, look. Where's that boat? Oh, there's a boat way out there. I can't find it. There it is. It's a little bitty white speck out there. I'm sorry. I'm probably getting us in trouble. Hey, look at that bird. Dang, I missed. I can't. I don't know what bird it is. There it is. I can't find it. Can we listen to Cedar? Cedar's actually kind of better than McFly.
I actually like McFly.
Hey, Brittany. What are we listening to?
Miranda Lambert.
Oh, Gunpowder Land.